The number one bass fishing skill that I want to learn right now is skipping a jig. It's the final step in mastering the baitcaster, and it's been a long road. Oh.
That did not sound good.
But I decided it was time. So I now have a dedicated combo so that I can practice every trip. Alright guys, I'm gonna catch a bass on a regular sized jig under a dock because I've never done it before. Oh yeah! I'm learning. On the jig. Look at that, guys. He's just so shiny. A golden bass.